Guys, so today we're gonna be, well, I got this from GameStop. You don't know where it is yet. So we're gonna be unboxing this. It's an Xbox One. It's an Xbox 360 though. I got a pre-owned because it was much cheaper. So yeah. This is how it looks like. So I guess I have to unbox it. Well, it's actually pretty hard. Okay. I got it. So let's try to open this. I'm gonna leave this right here. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go grab a knife and I'll be back. Just hold on a sec. Hold on. I'm back. So, let me just close this door. Okay, this is how it looks like. Out of the box, so we're gonna push it. Hello, guys. Like that. You can see. Let's try to open it. I'm better with this. There you go. I'm unboxing it. Got it from GameStop, so you can see. There you go. Turn it to the other side. There you go. Okay, so this is how the inside looks like. So this is the power thing big. And all the cables are right here. And this is the controller. Yeah, finally, the system. I gotta do this with 2 hands, so I'll put you guys right here. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. So guys, this is how it looks like. This is how the Xbox 360 looks like. Really cool. So yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed that a little unboxing. Yeah. I might be doing some gameplay of it later, sooner or later. So yeah guys, this is the Xbox 360 pre-owned unboxing. So yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed and leave a like, and yeah guys, I'll see you guys later.